Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my bootables. It's super easy. I usually have everything on hand already made from earlier in the week. You have your greens, you have starch, you have protein, you have healthy fats. Benefits are all there. You can look it up. I love this so much, so you guys got to give it a try. I'm going to talk about my favorite Brussels sprouts that we're going to be making right now. I have the oven on. But I love Brussels sprouts right now. They're so good and I love roasting them. I also noticed that every time I eat Brussels sprouts the next day, my skin has like a different little glow to it. There's a lot of health benefits to Brussels sprouts. There's a lot of antioxidants in them. So any way that I can get my skin glowing and looking a little bit healthier, especially if you're a mom and you don't sleep enough, this is that for you, because I was like, what the heck, my skin has been looking so good. So anyways, I had put my Brussels sprouts here and I put some chickpeas for my protein. I was gonna add my sweet potato. I really love adding sweet potato and roasting it, but it already went bad, so that really sucked. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I have Himalayan salt, pepper, garlic, and I have paprika, and I put a lot of paprika because I love it so much. I put it on everything, my chicken, my veggies, everything. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that. And I'm also gonna add some corn after it's been in for a little bit so that, you know, it doesn't get over roasted because it's already cooked. I already have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. So while everything's roasting right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my base. I'm gonna use kale. I only use like one little leaf because it's a lot to digest. And then I'm gonna clean this and chop it up. And by chop it up, I mean I'm just gonna literally tear it apart because I ain't got time for that, and that's not how I really eat my salad anyway, and that's probably not how you guys are gonna do it either. All right, so that's gonna be the base for our bootable. Next, we're gonna make the dressing, but first I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of corn. We're gonna go ahead and work on the dressing now. It's a tzatziki sauce that we're going to do, and it's Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, dill, and then I have a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic, lemon. The recipe calls for cucumbers, but I didn't have any. I'm gonna add the dill, seasoning, lemon, okay, that tastes super good. Ta-da! I'm super excited about this. Now we get to assemble. I'm gonna add our veggies, and I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Add tomatoes. I love tomatoes, especially in the summertime. I can eat them by themselves with lemon and salt. We're gonna add our quinoa. I made this yesterday, so it's always good when you kind of prep things ahead of time. It helps cut, you know, your time prepping everything because it's already done. I cook it how I cook Mexican rice or red rice, whatever you want to call it. And I feel like I'm missing something. Oh yeah, avocado. Our healthy fats. So I don't know why my avocados haven't been as good. A good one. Yeah. I don't know if you guys seen on TikTok that one where.
Dude, you better not fuck it up.
That's how I feel right now. I'm trying to make this a cute video for you guys. All right, that's good enough. And last but not least, we're gonna add our sauce. And this came out so good. I really wish I had the cucumber because I love cucumber. I usually buy California cucumbers or the Persian cucumbers. Those are my favorite, but I don't have any on hand. And I'm just gonna put this in the center. All right, guys, and there you have it, a yummy bootable. I hope you guys give it a try. It's super good. You can look it up online. There's a million different ways to make it. I'm so excited to eat this. Came out so good. You guys gotta give it a try. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video because I'm hungry and we're done. Bye.